We're in a global economy now, family, and we've been here for a while. So, point number 8 is called Know Your Audience, Cultural Sensitivity. We have to understand that there's various cultures that are going to be on our project. So, it's very important in diverse cultural backgrounds. It's very important to educate ourselves on our different teams, excuse me, on our different teams, stakeholders, culture, because there may be communication differences as far as what we may perceive as one thing, it may be perceived as a bad word somewhere else, and it's not like that. I'm giving you an example why it's important to understand the team that you're working with. That's why I always recommend, if you're leading a team, to be able to set up one-on-ones or with potential stakeholders, because you want to ensure that you're building that bond. And again, you want to talk with them personally, because they'll give you some insight, like, hey, these type of things, culturally, this is why they are. So again, family, you have to know your audience.